Good morning, friends. Welcome to Mrs. Brown's Virtual Life Skills class. We're going to be talking about nutrition fact labels today, how to read them, and why they're important. At the end of the lesson, you'll be able to understand what a nutrition fact label is and how to read the different parts of the label. You'll need 4 to 5 food packages, such as cereal boxes, peanut butter, or chips from your kitchen, and of course, your computer. Try not to get anything that will melt while you're working. We don't want ice cream soup. Before we start, I just want to find out what you guys know. What is a nutrition fact label? Where can we find a nutrition fact label? How many times can I say that word? What is a calorie and what is a serving size? Click on the Do Now to fill out the Google form to answer before we move on. Awesome. All right, now it's video time. Click on the YouTube logo to watch this 3-minute video on nutrition fact labels. After the video, you'll take a short comprehension quiz to see what you've learned. Okay, now I want to see what you've learned from this video. Take the short comprehension quiz to show off your listening skills. Can you name the 4 parts of a nutrition facts label? Do packages usually have more than one serving size? How many calories a day is recommended? Is 200 calories per serving low, high, or moderate? Time to show off your stuff by clicking right on the notepad. All right, now I need you to pick up one of the food packages you brought from the kitchen and follow along while we learn what's on the label. First up on what's on the label is servings. Everyone put your finger on the word serving at the top of your food package and follow along. There are 2 parts to serving. Servings per container, which shows the total number of servings in the entire package of container, and serving size, which is based on the amount of food that is usually eaten at one time. So what does servings per container and serving size, what does all this mean, right? That's what you're saying to me. What I'm saying to you is, imagine if you were to eat an entire bag of barbecue chips, which we all could do. You would be eating 1,200 calories. Mean nothing to you? Okay, well, listen to this. That's almost all of the calories that you should be eating in one day, in one bag of chips. So one large bag of chips holds about 8 servings. Each serving is 150 calories, which means, okay, so I sit down, I eat one serving, 150 calories, no big deal, right? That's probably about 15 chips. To find out, though, how many calories for the whole bag, we have to multiply the servings per container, which in this case is 8. There's 8 servings in one bag, times the calories per serving. So 8 servings times 150 calories per serving equals 1,200 calories. They're delicious, but they're not worth 1,200 calories. Up next on what's on the label is calories. Take your finger and point to calories on your food package. Did you find it? Calories refers to the total number of calories in a serving of food. As a general guide, you should have 2,000 calories a day. Take a few minutes now to click anywhere on the nutrition fact label to access the link to find out how many calories you should be eating a day based on your height, your weight, your age, how much activity you do, and your gender. Wasn't that informative? I learned for my age, weight, and height, I should be eating 1,800 calories a day. When we're finished talking about this, Click on the nutrition facts label and tell me what your calorie intake should be. Next, we're going to move on to the percent daily values. These are the numbers with percent signs on the right-hand side of the label. This shows how much of a nutrient, such as sodium or protein, is in a food serving. At the bottom of the label, you'll see the section that says percent daily values are based on 2,000 calorie diet. Your daily values may be higher or lower depending on your calorie needs, which we just found out on the other page. The last part of our label is the nutrients. These are the black bolded words on the left of the label, such as total fat, cholesterol, sodium, carbohydrates, and protein. This shows the nutrients that are in the food and how much. This is important because there are some nutrients you shouldn't have too much of, such as saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars. Then there's other nutrients you need to have more of, such as fiber, vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Okay, friends, now we're going to break into think, pair, share, distance learning style. Each package of food is a link to a group Google Meet where you and your partner will be answering questions about the food packages you have in front of you from home. Group 1 is Andrew and Tom at 12. Group 2 is Jacqueline and Serena at 12:30. Group 3 is Rachel and Jasir at 1. Group 4 is Emily and Jake at 1:30. And Group 5 is Otto and Nate at 2. One partner will pull up their Google form by clicking on me and ask their partner the questions about their food package. Input the answers and then switch. We'll all meet back for a class Google Meet and share one of your group's Google Forms. So make sure you pick which food product you want to share. Great job, friends. Time for a class Google Meet to see how everyone did. Make sure you've decided with your partner which food package you want to share with the class. At 3 o'clock, click on the delicious sandwich in the fridge for our class Google Meet to go over your answers. See you then. Awesome job, friends. I loved hearing all about your different foods. Now it's time to click on the nutrition facts label to complete some independent classwork in the form of a digital activity. Enjoy! So, because learning never stops, I've assigned homework. Click on the Never Stop Learning poster to pull up the questions for It All Adds Up. For this assignment, you'll be seeing what is in your favorite snack and drink combo. Answer the questions on the Google document on the homework logo on the whiteboard. The second part of your homework can be found by clicking on the Learn poster. It's a tale of two foods, and just like the title says, you'll be comparing the nutrition labels on two food packages. The Google Doc to record your answers can be found by clicking on the apple on the whiteboard. Have fun! Woohoo! We are done for the day, friends. Get that homework done, and we will meet back here tomorrow to review it and play a fun game of Nutrition Fact Kahoot. Just click on the speech bubble tomorrow to access the Kahoot game. Have a great night. Great job today.